How to fix Monopoly Go, invite friends if it's not working. Hi guys, in this video we will be learning on how you will be able to fix if ever the invite link will not be working. So all you have to do here is go into your friends button that's on the lower right corner of the screen, and then all you have to do is click on invite, and then you'll have the option to click on the share invite button, that's the orange one, and then all you have to do is just copy the link. And then once you have copied the link, you just need to regenerate, making sure that it's a new one, and you just need to forward it to the friend who uses the link that it did not work. So if it still does not work, what you can do here is that you can actually go to your settings, you can go to your app management or app list, and all you have to do is look for Monopoly Go application. Here with your settings, you actually need to clear cache in your storage usage. So here, just currently searching on the Monopoly Go application on the app list. You can either scroll into the options, or you can simply tap or type in on the search box right above. Here, so when I click on Monopoly Go, just click on storage usage, and there you will see that you just need to click on clear cache button. Just need to rerun and reopen the application, and there you just need to regenerate the link from there and then just forward it to your friends. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.